Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix for dropshipping. First, navigate to the Wix app market and select a dropshipping application like Modalist or Printful. Once chosen, connect this app directly to your Wix store dashboard. This integration allows you to easily browse and add thousands of products from various suppliers to your online catalog. You can then customize your store's design, ensuring a professional and inviting look for your customers. Next, focus on sourcing and managing your products effectively. Wix integrates with numerous suppliers, offering a vast selection of items. You can effortlessly import product details, high-quality images, and compelling descriptions directly into your store. Carefully set your pricing to ensure healthy profit margins while remaining competitive. The platform also helps you automatically monitor inventory levels and product availability, simplifying your daily operations. Now, let's talk about making your store stand out and attracting customers. Wix provides powerful tools to customize your store's design, ensuring it perfectly reflects your brand. Optimize your product descriptions and images with relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings. Leverage Wix's built-in SEO features to boost your online visibility. Additionally, implement effective email marketing campaigns to engage potential customers and drive repeat sales. Finally, understand the fulfillment process and how to grow your business. When a customer places an order, it is automatically sent to your dropshipping supplier for seamless fulfillment. You can easily track order statuses and shipping information directly within your Wix dashboard. Regularly analyze your sales data to identify best-selling products and emerging trends. Utilize Wix's advanced features and analytics to continuously scale and expand your dropshipping venture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.